Hi dear students, welcome to another class of math. Today we are going to discuss part 2 lesson 8 division. Okay, let's move. The important topics we are discussing today is divide two digit numbers by one digit numbers using long division method. Let's see. In previous class, we learned to divide number using repeated subtraction method. How? Here, last class example is given here. 24 divided by 6 is, first we subtract 6 from 24 and we got 18. Next 18 minus 6, we got 12. 12 minus 6, and like this we are subtracted repeatedly 4 times and we got the answer 24 divided by 6 is 4. Okay, then we learn to relate this division sentence to multiplication sentence like 4 6. This quotient into divisor is equal to dividend. So we call this is dividend, divisor and quotient. This much we learned in the previous class. Right children? How we divide numbers using repeated subtraction. And we know that if the numbers are big, it is little bit difficult to use this repeated subtraction method. Right? So, in such cases, we use long division method. And now, today, we are going to learn how we divide numbers using long division method. Let's go. Okay. Here, the example is given 66 divided by 4. So, the steps we need to follow or procedure for the division, for the long division is given here. First, we need to write numbers like this. We have to arrange the numbers like this. 66, that's dividend, is inside it and divisor here. And this is the place to write quotient. Let's see what's the first step. Compare the first digit number of the dividend with the divisor and decide where the first digit of the quotient will be. Okay, simple. Here divisor is 4 and the first digit in the dividend is 6. Okay, so first we need to compare these two digits, divisor and first digit of the dividend, and this is 6 and the divisor is 4. So it's clearly we can understand 6 is bigger than 4. 6 is bigger than 4. So there are enough tens. That means there are enough tens to divide. So we have to check how many tens or how many 4s we can take away from 6. How many times we can take away 4 from 6. How many times? Yes, only one time. So that one we need to write in the place of tens. Okay. So we know that 1 4 is we can take away 1 time 4 from 6, that is 4. So okay, when we take, how many times we take 4? 1 time. So 1 time 4 means 4. 1 time 4 is 4. So that 4 we need to write here. Next is what? Next we need to subtract these two numbers. 6 minus 4. What we get? 2. Okay children? And next step is, here this tens column is completed. Next we need to go ones column. There is a 6. Right children? We need to bring down that 6 to here. We need to bring down 6 here. So the number became 26. Next step. So first we divide 6 divided by 4. We did 6 divided by 4. Then we got quotient 4. And here the remainder 2. Then we bring down 6. Then we got the number 26. Next we need to check. Since 2 is less than 4. So the next digit of the quotient will be in the ones place. Okay. So here 24. Then divide 24 divided by 6. 24 divided by, 26 divided by 4. We have to do 26 divided by 4. Then how many times 4 are in 26? Here it was very easy to find out how many times 4 is in 6. But in this big number, we use multiplication table. How many times 4 is in 26? So we know the table of 4, that 1 4 is 4, 2 4s are 8, 3 4s are 12, 4 4s are 16, 5 4s are 20, 6 4s are 24 and 7 4s are 28. So here only 26. We know that 6 4s are 24 and 7 4s are 28, right? Here we have only 26. So we cannot take away 7 times 4 from 26. If you are taking 7 times, at least here it needs 28. But it has only 26. So we can take away 6 times 4 from 26. So we need to write that 6 here. We can take away 6 times only. 6 times 4 we can take away from 26. So 6 times 4. When we take 6 times 4, it is 24. So 26 minus 24. So we got the remainder 2. Okay children. Then compare the remainder and the divisor. Here 2 is the remainder and the divisor is 4. Children, please you have to keep in your mind that the remainder always less than the divisor. The remainder should be less than the divisor. So here 2, here 4, 2 is less than divisor. Okay children, and let's go to another example. Here 75 divided by 6. Okay, how many times 6 is in 7? 1 time. So 1 6 is 6. Okay, then 7 minus 6. It's 1. Clear children? Next what we have to do? First we we compare first digit in the dividend and the divisor. Here 7 and 6, 7 less than 6. So we do the division is possible here. So 7 divided by 6 is 1. Then 1 into 6 is 6. Then we need to do the subtraction. This 1 into 6 is here. Subtraction 1. Then we need to bring down 5. So it becomes 15. Next we have to check how many 6 are in 15. So multiplication table. 1 6 is 6. 2 6 are 12. 3 6 are 18. We know 2 6 are 2 times 6 is 12. And 3 6 are 18. Okay children. So we can, when we need to take 3 times 8, at least it should be 18. But here we have only 15. So we can take away only 2 times 6. So 2 6 are 12. Okay, 15 divided by 6 is 2. 15 divided, we do that, 15 divided by 6, it's 2. So 2 6, 2 into 6, 12. 2 6 are 12. Then we know we have to repeat the subtraction. 15 minus 12, it's 3. And remainder is 3. Is the remainder is less than divisor? Yes, the remainder is less than divisor. Okay, let's go to another example. It should be more clear for you. Okay, 42 divided by 2. Okay, see here children, first check whether we have to compare the divisor and first digit of the dividend. Here it is 4, here it is 2, then 4 is bigger than 2. So no other issues there. So we have to check how many times 2 is possible in 4. Okay, how many times? Yeah, we know that we can take away 2 times 4, 2 times 2 from 4. So write 2 here. Then we need to multiply these two numbers, quotient and the divisor. 2 into 2 is what? 4. So write here. Next is subtraction. 4 minus 4, it's 0. What is the next step? The next step is we need to bring down the next digit here. And here the digit is 2. 0, 2 means 2. Then we check whether how many times 2 in this 2. How many times we can take away 2 from 2? Yes, only one time. That one we write here. So 1 into 2. Next, multiply these two. 1 into 2 is 2. Then subtract. 2 minus 2 is 0. So what is the answer we got here? Quotient. So we can say that 42 divided by 2 is 21 and the remainder is 0. Okay children, and another example. Let's take 49 divided by 5. So what we have to check first? Divisor, and we have to combine divisor and the first digit in the dividend. It's 4 first digit and next divisor is 5. But here 4 is less than 5. We can take away 5 from 4. Right? 5 is bigger than 4. In such case, what we need to do? We have to take the next digit also together. We have to take both digits. Now the number became 49. Now we have to check how many times 5 in 49. How many times we can take away 5 from 49. So check the multiplication table of 5. 1 5 is 5, 2 5s are 10, 3 5s are 15, 4 5s are 20, 5 5s are 25, 6 5s are 30, 7 5s are 35, 8 5s are 40, 9 5s are 45, 10 5s are 50. So we got here 9 5s are 45 and 10 5s are 50. We have here only 49. So we can't take away 10 times 5 from here. Okay. So go to the next 9 5s. Then how many times we can take away 5 from 49? 9 times. That 9 we have to write here because we are taking these two numbers together. Okay. So we have to take right here. So next what? 9 5s are, that we know here. 9 5s are 45. Then subtract. 9 minus 5 is 4. This is smaller than divisor. The remainder should be smaller than the divisor. 4 minus 4 is 0. So here we can say 49 divided by 5 is 9 and the remainder is 4. Is it clear children? Thank you.